Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to kick someone out your Roblox private server. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you have to open up the game in which you are the owner of the server. You have to click on it. And here is the play action. You have to tap on it. Now here you have to joining the server, so you have to wait for it to open. So once you open it, now you have to make sure that you are the owner of the server. Because if you are not the owner of your own private server, you are not able to kick or remove anyone from the server. So if you own the private server, you are able to kick or remove anyone. Now what you have to do is click on this Roblox icon that is on the top left corner, and as you can see, here is the player list. Now in the player list, there is all the players that are available in this game or this server. Now as you can see, there is the option of the add friends. Same as it is, there is the option of the remove friend. If you are the owner of the server, you just have to click on it and that person will be removed from your server. So that's how you can kick or remove someone from the Roblox private server. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.